guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we'll be doing variations of squat. So before we do that, we should learn the benefits. So the first benefit is you can do this exercise anywhere. Then you can, this saves you from getting an injury. That's really good for the people like me, because sometimes when I play with my friends or just go somewhere or just run, like do something, I really get hurt. So I have gotten hurt here, like I still can see the black thing here. So that's totally for me and you guys who get hurt. So now the third one is it strengthens your core, and a very good thing is that it's a full body exercise. So now so now let's begin. Now guys, we'll be doing the normal squat right now. So first of all, you have to open your legs wide, but not that wide that you do a whole split out of it. You'll get hurt because you're not doing your stretching before it. So yeah, so now you just have to open your legs a little wide. Okay, now you just have to come down a little and see that if you can see that your toes are there. You should not do this, that you can't see your toes. So yeah, so now make sure that your back is straight. I'll just show you. So we'll hold it 4 times, actually 3 times, and we'll hold it for 10 seconds. Okay, so guys, let's do it. So I'm going to be doing it changing angles. I'm going to be changing angles when I do it. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. So now let's change the angle. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So make sure when you're doing your squat, make sure you're looking at the front for concentration. Okay? Now let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, we are done with 4 times squat holding. So now we are going to be doing the second variation. So now we are going to be doing side lunges. So you just have to open your legs a bit more wider than before. So yeah. So now each side we should be doing 10 each. So maybe if you want to do it, we can do it 20 times. Okay. So let's do it. So now you just have to bend towards the side. I mean, you have to bend your leg, and your body should go at the side where your leg is bending, not like that. Okay? So let's do it 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're done with our second variation. Let's move on to our third one, wherein you have to do a squat and then you just have to do a simple jump. Go down, jump. Okay, so we'll be doing it 2 times 10 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can take a little break, okay, for maybe just 10 seconds. Okay, let's just relax my body a little. Okay, now let's do it a second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So guys, as we are done with the third one as well, it is the fourth. I lost count, whatever. So now, guys, we need a dumbbell. But as you can see, I'm holding a bottle. So guys, if you don't have a dumbbell, it's okay. You can get a filled bottle. Okay? So now you just have to do squats, but your bottle should also be you should also be lifting up the bottle. It's like that. I mean, it's like you have to do and then come up. Okay, we will be doing it 2 times. I mean 2 times each. We'll do it 10 times. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I had to do 20 times, so yeah. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So now we are done 2 times because, okay, so now guys, we are done with it. So guys, now the last step is for you to subscribe and like my